The Range Rover L405 is the fourth generation of Range Rover to be manufactured by Land Rover. Range Rover changes from the previous generation include the use of an all-aluminium monocoque body. The vehicle was unveiled in 2012 Paris Motor Show. Sales of Range Rover began in late 2012. Early models include a choice of 2 petrol and 2 diesel engines, all with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Japan models went on sale in January 2013. Early models include 5.0 V8 Vogue, 5.0 V8 Supercharged Vogue, and Autobiography. Specifications: the platform is an all-aluminium monocoque structure which is a first for a SUV, resulting in a reduction of 420 kg compared to the outgoing model. The Range Rover has a new version of Terrain Response, dubbed Terrain Response 2. Powertrain: the Range Rover is powered by 2 diesel engines and 1 petrol engine. 3.0L V6 turbo diesel producing 260 picoseconds of power and 600 Nm of torque. 4.4L V8 turbo diesel produces 344 picoseconds of power and 700 Nm of torque. A single 5.0L V8 petrol engine unit has 2 versions. The naturally aspirated engine produces 380 picoseconds of power and 510 Nm of torque, while supercharged version produces 510 picoseconds of power and 625 Nm of torque. A supercharged 3.0L petrol V6 developing 340 picoseconds was added to the range in some export markets in 2013. All engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Gears can be selected from the Drive Select rotary shifter from the center console, or the driver can also manually select gears via the paddle shift controls on the steering wheel. The car has permanent intelligent 4-wheel drive with 50/50 torque split and a 2-speed transfer case for high and low range options, helping to maintain traction and stability in challenging conditions on road, off-road, or when towing. Suspension: the Range Rover has an electronic cross-linked air suspension, with multiple suspension adjustment modes provided as standard, including Access, Normal on-road, Off-road and Extended height. The car has an automated load leveling mechanism. Adaptive dynamics continuously analyze vehicle movements over 500 times per second, reacting instantaneously to road conditions and driver actions. Infinitely variable dampers adjust to maintain a composed and balanced ride. The dynamic response system independently adjusts and monitors front and rear suspension units, reducing the amount of body roll during cornering, as well as enhancing control and stability at higher speeds. Terrain response: the Range Rover a Euro 1 registered trademark S all-terrain capability features a new second-generation terrain response system. The system monitors ground conditions to determine the most appropriate response to the terrain and automatically optimizes vehicle settings for an enhanced and assured experience for almost all driving conditions. The system provides settings for grass, gravel, snow, mud, sand, and rock crawl. Terrain response technology instantly reconfigures transmission, suspension, and traction settings for maximum drivability in almost all conditions. Controlled acceleration control prevents excessive speeds downhill, and hill start assist prevents the vehicle from inadvertently rolling backwards. Safety: the Range Rover has driver and passenger airbags, plus airbags to protect rear seat passengers. Other safety aids include cornering brake control, which helps to maintain stability when cornering by adjusting the driver a Euro 1 registered trademark S generated brake pressure, along with dynamic stability control to maintain control by reducing engine torque and applying braking to the appropriate wheel and correcting understeer or oversteer. Range Rover Long Wheelbase, Autobiography Black. The Range Rover Long Wheelbase Autobiography Black is a limited version of the 2014 Range Rover Long Wheelbase for the U.S. market, with the first 25 units in Valor White Pearl Cint body color. Changes include front grille and side vents and badging in black enamel and chrome, signature rear lamps, a chrome accent finish to the tailgate and auxiliary vents to the front, new exclusive 7-spoke 21-inch with a high-gloss polished finish, individualized front and rear seating package, 10.2-inch rear seat entertainment screens with navigation displays, a powered recliner calf rest at rear right seat, 10-color configurable LED mood lighting, leather-wrapped rear cargo trim, A, B and C pillar trim, a perforated leather finish on the door insert, leather-wrapped seat backs, ski hatch, cargo trim and upper D pillar. Tread plates with an illuminated autobiography black script, a brushed stainless steel tailgate trim, a choice of 3 interior color schemes. The vehicles were unveiled at the 2013 Los Angeles Auto Show. Deliveries of long-wheelbase Range Rover models were set to begin in late Q1 2014. Early models included supercharged and autobiography trim levels with either a 3-across bench seat or individual rear seats with a center console. See also, Range Rover Evoque, Range Rover Sport. References. External links, official website, press kit, 2013 Range Rover, International, 2014 Range Rover, USA, 2014 Range Rover Sport, Canada.